welcome back to my channel. It's Kiana here, and if this is your first video watching, hello, and I appreciate you for stopping by. And go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. And if this isn't your first video, welcome back. I really do appreciate you all. Today I am showing you guys this look. I had a Q&A on Instagram and I asked pink cut crease or natural look, and I know this isn't quite like a pink cut crease, but it's a soft cut crease and it's close to it. Like, as I was doing the eye look, I kind of just like start doing what I wanted to do as I do usually. Today this video isn't going to be a talk through. It's going to be like a voiceover because when I do talk throughs, the videos are really long because I'm so focused on one thing that I'm not focused on the other, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead. This video is gonna be a voiceover, just a little FYI. But enough of me talking. Go ahead and here's the video. Okay, I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand, and I'm just using a little e.l.f. concealer brush, and I am just working it on in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and head into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And in this palette, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of the dark purples, and I'm gonna just take this flat brush, and as you see, I am pushing the color into my eye. I'm not really brushing it out. And I'm just gonna pat it on in there. And I did not set my concealer after I put it on. And then now I'm gonna head back into the BH Cosmetics, as you're gonna see, and I'm gonna go into one of the pink colors, and I'm gonna blend it out with this pink. And I'm just gonna take a random brush. I don't know where this brush is coming from, and I'm just gonna blend. Now I'm gonna go ahead and head back into the Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm gonna get this flat concealer brush, and this is where I'm going to cut the crease. And I have hooded eyes, so I have to do the little method, the little look up method, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease.
Strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today.
And in this step, after this step, you do not set the concealer. I'm gonna go back into one of the pink colors, and I am going to pat it into the concealer. Remember, I did not set it. I just went ahead and I am patting that pink into the concealer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this crease brush, and I'm gonna go into one of the light purples, just to try to clean it up a little bit, get rid of the harsh lines. And I am going to go into the dark purple as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and do this just so I don't have those harsh lines. And I'm going to blend and blend that on out. Go ahead and head into this ColourPop palette. I'm not really sure which palette this is, but I am going to go ahead and go into the lighter peach color. And I'm going to take that and I'm just going to pat it where I put the pink originally. See, this is where I realized I kind of didn't want to do like a harsh cut crease. So I just went ahead and I just wanted to just do something different. Just play around with a few colors. And right here, I just went ahead and dipped back into that one of the lighter purples and the darker purple. And I'm just cleaning it up how I want it to be cleaned up. So I'm kind of just, you know, fixing the harsh lines, making sure everything looks how I want it to look. Forgot to show it, but I did go ahead and pick up an e.l.f. black
eyeliner. I'm not sure which one. I'm assuming it's the skinny one because that's the only one I use. But I went ahead, I'm going to line my eyes. I'm not really going to do like a winged eyeliner. Just put a little eyeliner on there for when I do my eyelashes. And I'm going to head into the Maybelline and just put a little bit of mascara on my real lashes before I put my falsies on. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on. I got these from Sephora a while ago. They were on sale for about $3, and the glue that I used was Broadway glue. It's $1. I bought it at the beauty supply store. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean them and try to go ahead and get them on. Now I'm going to color correct with the LA Girl orange color correcting cream, and it kind of splashed in my eye right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that under your eye. You can use this or red lipstick. And right here I'm thinking, because guess what, you guys, here goes the face. 1, 2, 3. I forgot to put primer on my face, and I'm so used to doing it when I do my eyebrows, but I forgot. I'm gonna head into the Smashbox, and it's a little too late, and I'm just gonna rub it around my face where I didn't color correct. I was so upset at myself right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a beauty blender and just blend that color correct in. And I put a little bit over my face. I typically don't do this, but I've kind of been having really bad time with my skin. And then we're going to go into the NARS, one of my favorites now, and I'll just put a few dots on my face. I'm going to be taking a kabuki brush and just blending out the foundation. One step that I missed, I'm gonna take just some light, really light eyeshadow and blend that harsh line out at the top of my eyeshadow. You see how I'm putting it, and it's just blending in, because we don't really like harsh lines. That's not the goal when doing the makeup, and I'm just gonna brush it in until the line is how I would want it to be. Now I'm gonna go ahead, this is the Anastasia Stick Foundation in Amber, and I'm just gonna put it on my face where I highlight. I actually like using this as a concealer.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Now I'm gonna go take the NARS Creamy Concealer and put it under my eye. And disregard me, I was snacking just a little bit. Go ahead and dip into the Laura Mercier powder. I'm just gonna take a angled brush and just push it into my skin. I'm not really going a lot of places for me to need to bake, so I'm just gonna take this and just stick it into my skin so that it could set the foundation. Then I'm gonna take the remnants of it and just rub it across my whole face where I put makeup at. Now I'm gonna contour with the NYX matte bronzer with deep tan. I'm gonna get my nose. I kind of missed the part where I did my face, but I did. And now this is the Makeup Revolution Baked Bronzer. And then I'm just gonna kind of highlight. I really highlight with this and highlight my nose, the top of my mouth, the peak of my cheeks. Now I'm going to take this brush, I forgot what it's called, dipping up light purple and the pink, and I'm going to go under my eyes and put eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that same Maybelline and I'm going to get my under eyelashes, my lower eyelashes.
The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Take that same baked bronzer and I'm going to put it in the tear ducts of my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and give both eyes. I kind of like to go in a circular motion and then kind of like bring it up towards the actual insides of my eyes instead of just putting it in a tear duct, so it can all come together and doesn't look like I just stuck something in the tear ducts of my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and head into the Holy Grail NYX Matte Finish Spray. I use this almost every single time that I do my makeup. This is one of my favorites and I love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this nude liner, and I got it from ColourPop, but it's extremely faded, so I cannot tell you what color it is, and for that I really do apologize. But I do love this one because I like a lot of glosses and nude lips, and this just one of the perfect liners. And with this look, I am going to use a gloss, and I got this lip gloss from MAC. And this is another product. It was extremely faded, so I can't even tell you the name of it, but it was a lip glass. This is the finished look. I want to go ahead and thank you all for stopping by my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.